Well, hello everyone and welcome to Amazing World channel. SpaceX SN3 Starship prototype is installed on a test bench at the SpaceX private spaceport near the Boca Chica village in Texas on March 29. The next phase of testing for the SpaceX Starship vehicle is expected to begin this week. The SN3 vehicle incorporates lessons learned from previous vehicles and test articles, and takes advantage of improved manufacturing techniques and expanded facilities at SpaceX South Texas launch facility. The next round of testing is anticipated to begin this week with cryogenic proof testing. These tests will see the vehicle filled with liquid nitrogen at cryogenic temperatures and flight pressures. Prior Starship test vehicles have had their campaigns cut short by failed cryogenic testing, including the last fly vehicle SpaceX rolled to the Boca Chica launch pad, Starship SN1. SpaceX's first vehicle in Boca Chica, named Starhopper, was the first Starship test vehicle to fly under power from the Raptor rocket engine. A static fire and a tethered hop test was conducted using Raptor SN2 in April 2019. A second static fire and two free flights to 18 meters and 150 meters in altitude were completed in July and August 2019 using Raptor SN6. If successful, Raptor engines will be installed on the prototype and conducted static fire tests. Then, after installing the bow, the Starship SN3 is supposed to fly to a low altitude. The next prototype versions that are already under construction will be used for suborbital flights. 6 Raptor engines, 3 vacuum and 3 engines optimized for atmospheric pressure at the sea level, will be installed on Starship. The first stage of the Super Heavy rocket will have up to 37 Raptor engines with a total thrust of more than 7,000 tons. Starship is the upper stage of SpaceX Super Heavy rocket designed for interplanetary flights, in particular for flights to Mars and to the Moon. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.